I've got this super simple React Router 7 app that I'm going to use to demo some type safety to you. So in this case, we've got this loader that's returning some data with a planet key, and I want to use it here in my component. So what I can do is I can go ahead and grab the generated types for this route and ask for the component prop since we're working inside of the component. And now if I go into these curlies, I'm getting a bunch of stuff in here, including the loader data. And we've got matches and params and all that other stuff too. But let's grab the loader data. And now I can go into world here, and instead of hard coding it, I can say loader data dot, and we get auto completion, which is super nice. And we can see that this type here matches this type up here. So we're getting inference across these two different exports. And we can do this for any of the exports that React Router has. So if I do something like export function error boundary, and I want to write my own error boundary in here, I can actually do the same trick and do route.errorBoundary and grab those args as well. And you can see all the ones that we've got if you just do route dot and then ask for suggestions. You can see we've got actions, client loaders, all the APIs you're used to from React Router and from Remix. So let's get rid of that. The other really cool thing about this is that not only can we infer types across these different exports within a route, but this route actually has a parameter. So if I go back to my routes.ts file where I'm configuring my routing, you can see that our product page, that was the one, this route that we were working on before, this products route, has an ID parameter. So let's go ahead and use that too. So in this case, let's grab it from the loader. Let's do route.loaderArgs, and let's see what we've got in here. And yep, there's the params, and you can see right away that it knows that there's an ID in there. So let's go ahead and use that and just call it world number, and then let's use the ID param. Very nice. Now what's really slick about this is that TypeScript actually knows, the way we've set this up, that this planet and this planet are the same. You can see that because it even highlights them. But it's really cool if you go in and rename the symbol, and let's say rename it to Earth, it actually renames it in both places because TypeScript is tracking these types really deeply the way that we've set up our type generation. I think that's pretty cool. Let me know what you think.